Welcome back to JA Auto Cars. Today, we're talking about the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Dzire, one of India's most loved compact sedans. The Dzire continues to impress with its style, practicality, and reliability while introducing exciting updates for 2025. Starting with the exterior, the Dzire features a bold front grille with a refined chrome finish, complemented by sleek LED projector headlamps and dynamic DRLs. The new alloy wheel design and enhanced rear styling with updated tail lights give it a premium look that's hard to ignore. Inside, the 2025 Dzire offers a spacious and modern cabin with dual-tone finishes and soft-touch materials on the dashboard. The car now comes equipped with a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system supporting Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. The comfortable seats are designed with improved cushioning, and the rear passengers enjoy added convenience with dedicated AC vents and generous legroom. A large boot space adds to its practicality, making it perfect for family outings and daily commutes. Performance-wise, the Dzire is powered by a refined 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine with mild hybrid technology. This engine delivers 89 PS of power and 113 Nm of torque, ensuring a smooth and fuel-efficient driving experience. Buyers can choose between a 5-speed manual and an automatic transmission, both tuned for effortless urban and highway performance. The 2025 Dzire boasts a fuel efficiency of up to 24 km/h, making it one of the most economical sedans in its class. Maruti Suzuki has prioritized safety with the Dzire, equipping it with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, and ESP as standard across variants. Higher trims also feature a rear parking camera, ISOFIX mounts, and speed alert systems. With these additions, the Dzire ensures peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. Priced competitively starting at 6.8 Indian rupees lakh, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Dzire continues to deliver exceptional value for money. Whether you're looking for a stylish city car or a reliable family sedan, the Dzire is a compelling choice. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Dzire. What are your thoughts on this compact sedan? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JA Auto Cars for more exciting car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.